Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down the 5 best electrical screwdrivers that can transform your DIY and professional projects. Whether you're upgrading your toolkit or looking for precision and power in one handy tool, we've got you covered. Stick around to see our top picks and find out which one is right for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. And do let me know in the comments section which electrical screwdrivers you like. The most, please hit the like button to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. 5th product on our list, Deli Electric Screwdriver. The Deli 4-volt electric screwdriver set, a versatile and powerful tool for all your repair and assembly needs. With a rated voltage of 4V and a 2000 mAh battery, this tool is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It offers a maximum torque of 5 Nm, making it ideal for tasks like water installation, electrical maintenance, and home assembly projects. This screwdriver is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. One of its standout features is the 25mm precision screwdriver head, allowing you to tighten various screws effortlessly. The screwdriver also has 4 adjustable torque settings, ensuring you have the right amount of power for different tasks. Its dual functionality lets you switch between manual and electric modes, providing flexibility and control in every situation. The Deli Electric Screwdriver comes with dual LED lights that automatically turn on, perfect for working in dark areas. It uses a Type-C charging interface, making charging convenient and fast. Plus, the strong magnetic adsorption and extension rod further enhance its adaptability. This multifunctional repair toolkit is not only powerful but also incredibly easy to use. Whether you're working on home repairs or professional tasks, the Deli 4V electric screwdriver will get the job done with ease and precision. 4th product on our list, Galacok Electric Screwdriver. The Galacok 68-in-1 electric screwdriver set, a versatile and essential tool for anyone working with electronics. This set features 5-gear torque adjustments, ranging from high torque at 0.35 Nm to low torque at 0.25 Nm, along with a manual torque option of 3 Nm. This flexibility makes it perfect for delicate tasks, whether you're repairing a PC, console, or even your favorite watch. One of the standout features is the screw magnetization device. This innovative addition guarantees superior magnetic force, allowing screws and screwdrivers to connect instantly and securely. This makes your work more efficient and less frustrating, especially in tight spaces. The magnetic storage case keeps everything organized. Its clever pop-up mechanism adds a satisfying touch while ensuring your tools and bits are always neatly in place. With 64 precision bits covering various types, including Torx, Phillips, and flatheads, you'll have everything you need for any repair task. The rechargeable battery is designed to last, allowing you to operate for up to 400 screws on a single charge. The LED indicator keeps you informed about the power level, and the Type-C port makes recharging quick and easy. The Galacok 68-in-1 electric screwdriver set truly combines convenience and functionality for all your repair needs. 3D product on our list, Xiaomi Mijia Electric Screwdriver. The Xiaomi Mijia Electric Screwdriver, a versatile tool designed for everyday household tasks. With a 3.6V rated voltage and a powerful 2000 mAh battery, this screwdriver delivers a maximum torque of 5 Nm, weighing in at just 350 grams. Its compact size of 124 by 130.5 by 42 mm makes it easy to handle and store, making it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts. This electric screwdriver features an innovative cordless design that enhances portability. With a no-load speed of 200 R/min, it is perfect for quick installations around the house. The Type-C charging capability ensures that the tool is always ready when you need it, with a charging time of 120 to 180 minutes. The unique design won the prestigious German Industrial IF Design Award, showcasing its functionality and aesthetics. Equipped with 12 high-quality S2 steel bits and a 60mm extension rod, This tool can tackle various tasks, even in hard-to-reach places. The ring LED light automatically illuminates when the screwdriver is activated, providing clear visibility in dim conditions. The Xiaomi Mijia Electric Screwdriver combines innovative features with high-quality materials. Its one-handed operation, durable design, and organized storage make it an essential addition to any home toolkit. Second product on our list, Worx WX242 Electrical Screwdriver. The Worx WX242 4-volt electrical screwdriver set, the perfect tool for your home DIY projects. This cordless screwdriver features a powerful 8 Nm maximum torque, making it ideal for a variety of tasks, from assembling furniture to tackling household repairs. Its brushless motor enhances efficiency and longevity, ensuring it lasts through many projects. What sets the WX242 apart is its USB rechargeable feature. This means you can easily charge it anywhere, anytime. Simply plug it in and get back to work. With a comprehensive 30-bit set, this tool is equipped to handle screws of all shapes and sizes. Whether you're working with electronics or larger fixtures, this screwdriver has you covered. The smart design of the WX242 also enhances user experience. Its lightweight and compact build allow for easy maneuverability, even in tight spaces. Plus, the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The Worx WX242 is a reliable and versatile screwdriver for both beginners and seasoned DIYers. With its impressive features and smart design, it is a valuable addition to any toolbox. First product on our list, AOMAX Electric Screwdriver. The AOMAX 70-in-1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set, the SES Ultra. This smart tool is designed to make your repair jobs easier, whether it's for your phone, camera, laptop, or watch. The SES Ultra has undergone significant improvements, boasting a torque increase from 2.0 kgf.cm to an impressive 4.0 kgf.cm. With 5 selectable torque modes, it's perfect for various tasks. This screwdriver features a dual-button design for easy clockwise and counterclockwise operation. Powered by a robust 500 mAh LiPo battery, it lasts longer than similar products, allowing you to tackle over 900 screws on a single charge. The speed has also improved from 200 to 280 revolutions per minute, enhancing its efficiency. Its compact design, measuring 160 millimeters in height and weighing just 62 grams, offers a comfortable grip and portability. Plus, it won't roll off your workbench. The magnetic charging stand ensures hassle-free charging while you work. With a dynamic display indicating the charging status, you'll never lose track of your tool's power. The Arrowmax SES Ultra is a reliable and efficient electric screwdriver.